Okay, just at the Gold Coast here. Very nice day today. We just had some F-18s or whatever they are fly by and come to make a key for this 2003 Nissan Pulsar. So I've just decoded the lock and just tried it in the ignition. Awesome, so we didn't have to find the remaining cuts. It's awesome. What a beautiful day today. We can't get any better than that. I think I'll have to have a fully sick kebab from the kebab shop here after we program this key. Wait for this girl to come. Very stinky.